package, but I thought it was gonna come tomorrow. But it came today. Which I'm taking that big bag off. And then I got this little cute thing, whatever it is. Little
cat
toy. Cat house, cat toy, whatever. I don't know what it is. We got 3 little bowls. And then we got like this little cup thing for the catnip. And then we got a little teddy bear. Hold on. Oh, come on. Where?
Where did what go?
The nail.
What are you doing?
It has all of these little ones. They have like these little rubber bands around them, their necks.
Oh.
So I'm trying to get it off. But I'll get that off later, and I'm going to set it right there. And then we have this cute little mousey that's going to go in here. And then, now, that's it.
What?
Except for this one.
Aww.
This one, I don't care. This one, yeah, this one is...
Turn her around.
This one is going to sleep in here, but the mouse is going to be in it with it. So it's going to like meow, meow with the little mouse toy. I said mouse toy. And then we have the little purple kitty. She's so adorable. They're not all twins, but these 2 are kind of twins.
Here, let me see.
These 2 are kind of twins.
Mm-hmm.
But her face is darker than hers. And she sleeps in here, and she sleeps in here because she is the little sister.
Aww.
And she gets to sleep with this. She's like the little sister.
How
And
cute.
she's like the littlest, and she's the mediumest. That goes right here, and this gets to go under there.
Okay.
The little one gets to jump out from the back, and if she's hungry, she can go like yum, yum, yum.
Yeah. How are you?
And then this one has to jump out and turn around and go in this little bowl. And this one just jumps out like.
What are you doing?
I got a new toy.
Where?
Hey, are we done?
Yes.